Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to share games on Steam. Let's start with the giver's account. First, open the Steam application on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your own Steam account. In the top left corner, click on the Steam menu, then choose Settings. In the Settings window, look for the Family section on the left side and click on it. Now, click on Manage Family. Before you can add someone, you need to make sure that you and the person you want to share games with are friends on Steam. Once you're friends, go back to Settings, then Family, and click Manage Family. You'll now see the option to add a family member. Click Invite a Member and select the friend you just added from the list. Steam will send them an invitation to join your family group. That's all you need to do on the giver's side. Now switch to the borrower's account. This is the account of the person who wants to play the shared games. Open the Steam application and log into the borrower's account. After logging in, click on Steam in the top left corner, then choose Settings. In the Settings window, click on Family in the left-hand menu. If the giver has already sent the invitation, you'll see a notification in the Family section. You'll see the pending invitation. Click Accept to join the family group. Once you accept, you'll have access to the giver's shared game library. Go to your own library tab and you'll see the games that have been shared with you. You can download and play them as long as the giver is not playing the same game at the same time. Keep in mind that you must stay signed in on your own account, and only one person can play a shared game at a time. Also, not all games can be shared due to publisher restrictions or third-party software. You can add up to 5 accounts and up to 10 devices to one family group. That's how you share games on Steam. Thanks for watching.